pinakahilig. Ang araw na di ko na inakalang darating. Ang araw para ako ay mag-skydiving! Woohoo! Kung may kasabihang all roads lead to Rome, ang version ko naman, all things I've done in Orlando lead to Skydive Sebastian.
All right, so we're Skydive Sebastian. All right, we do a lot of tandem jumps here. We do all kinds of training here, for anything from AFF, training people to skydive. People's first skydive, see if they actually want to enjoy it. So tandem skydiving consists of being attached to an instructor that actually knows what they're doing. So a lot of our instructors here have at least 20,000 skydives or less. I'm one of the newer guys. No, sorry guys, but don't worry, I brought them back safely nonetheless. You're harnessed up by one of us. Harness is made to support all the weight. One of the hooks on the harness could support up to 2,500 pounds. So one hook could actually hold them in there. So we exit the plane about 13,500 feet. There's 4 points of connection to us, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom, and they're not going anywhere.
Ang Skydive Sebastian ay matatagpuan sa Florida Treasure Coast, kaya pag nasa itaas ka raw ay matatanaw mo ang Florida coastline. Pero bago pa ako makarating sa drop zone, may natanggap akong importanteng tawag. Ayan, yeah, no, I'll be fine, my love. Don't worry. I can do this. It's nothing. This is like, parang natulog lang ako nito. Parang tulog lang ang dating ko rito. Huh? How long is it gonna take? Depends, my love. 10 minutes or forever. Parang 10 minutes, nakaland na ako. If not forever, I'm gone. Dalawa lang naman yan eh. Pag bumukas yung chute, yung parachute bumukas o hindi. Yan. Oh, nagagala. Huwag kang ganyan. Hindi. I'll be fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. Sa mundo ng sports, ito na yata ang pinaka-extreme sa lahat ng extreme sport. Karaniwan kasi ang mga skydiver ay tumatalon mula sa taas ng 13,500 feet, tulad dito sa Skydive Sebastian. Paglabas mula sa eroplano, ang normal exit speed daw ay 90 miles per hour o halos 145 kilometers per hour. Pero ang mga veteranong skydiver umaabot sa terminal velocity na 190 kilometers per hour pagpadapa ang lipad o belly-to-earth orientation. Pag una ulo or head-down orientation, ang terminal velocity ay nasa 240 hanggang 320 kilometers per hour. At ito pa, mag-freefall muna ng halos 1 minuto dahil bubuksan lang nila ang parachute pag nasa 5,000 feet na lang. Sa mga theme parks, may mga drop na gano'n, na mga 3 seconds, 4 seconds na parang free fall. Grabe yung lula nila. Ito, 5,000 feet, na free fall. Ayan na. How was it?
Wow, incredible.
Huh?
Yeah, incredible.
Good?
Yeah. Oh, you going up?
Yep.
Yeah? Oh, good time. Good
First time.
Yeah, no, that's your first time?
Yes, it's my first.
Okay, that was my second. Pretty awesome, man. You can't beat it. It's a rush. Yeah.
Worth it. That's all worth it.
No, it's totally worth it. Yeah, get it in before the weather gets bad.
I know, that's why.
Good luck, man.
Thank you.
How high did you go?
Thank you, sir. Pinalakas niyo ulit ang loob ko. Kaya magpapalista na ako. Can you bring my passport? I'm over 18.
Are you?
Ayos na sana ang usapan.
I'm 42.
Kaso inabot na sa akin ang waiver para basahin at pirmahan.
Here's a waiver. I'm gonna need you to sign and initial everything.
Okay.
Front and back.
Okay.
Pens are right here.
Okay.
Clipboards are right there. Just take your time and let me know when you have it, okay?
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You might want to take a seat.
May waiver na. Ito sinasabi yung mga waiver na to. Okay. Ito, napirma ko na lahat ng waiver. Usually, pag may waiver, dapat ito mo nang basahin. Kasi hindi ka naman patatalunan kung hindi mo pipirmahan to. Although, nagbasa ako ng konti, talagang andun yung death, injury, or the injury, death. So, Lord, they will be done. Kaya na pong bala. Ayon sa aming research, halos 2 milyong tao raw ang nagsa-skydive taon-taon. Samantala, ang average number of fatalities o yung bilang ng mga namamatay ay 35, which is less than 1% of the number of jumps. Well, my love, this is for you. Hi. Kaka-anniversary lang namin kahapon na. Bigla ako nasasenti oh. Ba't ganun? Dapat masaya eh. Para masaya, lumipad na tayo. Ayan, mga kapatid. Ito po si Agamula. Tumingin ka lang. Ang daming pwede matuklasan maging isang Pinoy Explorer. My wife, this one's for you. Alright. Dahil first time kong mag-skydive, tandem jump muna ang gagawin ko. Kaya nasa likod ko si Marcus, ang tandem master ko. Habang nasa loob ng eroplano, pakiramdam ko parang napakabagal ng oras. Mga kapatid, masakit pa lang, iba na. Alalahanin nyo, tatalon kami pagdating ng 13,500 feet. Kaya ang layo pa talaga. Kaya habang naghihintay, picture taking muna. May oras pa rin para magdasal. At magmuni-muni. Di ko lang alam kung may oras pang umatras. Pero hindi ko gagawin yon dahil nasa harap ko na ang katuparan ng aking pangarap. do this like again and again and
buddy.
again.
Nice
Thank
job.
you.
You're
It was
welcome.
good.
All right, you got a good time.
Thank you. That was the
Get together for a picture there, guys. Right on.
sarap. The best. Sabi nga, it's the best ever. Habang umakit yung, akala ko kakabahan ako talaga. Habang tumataas yung aeroplano, palamig ng palamig, super relax ng relax. Sabi nila, parang walang perfect sa mundo ito. That dive was perfect.
Ready ka na ba sa super adventure na ito? Mukhang they like to move it ha? Eh si Aga kaya? Ay nabasa! Dali, sakay na sa bangka!
Welcome to Apo Island, Philippines.
Pinag-iisipan gustong gawin, ngunit kakabakaba. Isang dangka lang pala. Kaya.
O sana hindi ka makuba sa pagsuskuba!
Ito na, 1, 2! Pero turn to me, Dok. Pupunta natin.
Pinoy Explorer next Sunday sa TV5.